Today I'm gonna learn how to make a spider. Go!
So we're gonna make a Halloween craft today, and these are the things that we need. We need a Tulle circle, some shredded paper. What else do we need?
A circle and googly eyes.
Yeah, and what's this?
Glue.
Glue. Very good. And I'm putting this on parchment paper so that it doesn't stick to my table. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, Macy, is we're going to take our felt circle and we're going to put some glue on the back. Can you put glue on the back of that? It's already open. Good job. Put another dot there. Perfect. Okay, now can you put our circle onto the big Tulle circle? Put it on there. You're gonna turn it over. That's right. Good job. Very good. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the googly eyes on. So can you put a little bit of glue on the eyes? There we go. And put some glue on this side. Where do you want to put this side?
Like this.
Does that look funny?
Yeah.
Now this is going to be, look at, it looks so funny. Alright, now this is going to be a spider in a web. So how many legs does a spider have?
2.
Spiders have 8 legs. So let's take, these are going to be the spider legs. So we'll count 1,
2,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good. Now we need to glue the 8 legs onto our spider. So let's put some glue here. I'll put the glue on and you can put the legs on. We'll put 4 on at a time.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Oh, good job. Now we'll put the other 4 on. Well,
what do you think of our new spider, Daddy?
I love it.
No, it's supposed to be scary.
I'm so scared.
It's this pretend. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.
For more fresh, healthy activities, please like, subscribe, and share. Have a healthy day.
Together today.